Welcome to our channel where we make activating your PayPal debit card simple and straightforward. Welcome to our channel where we make activating your PayPal debit card simple and straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the easy and straightforward process to activate your PayPal debit card so you can start using it right away without any hassle. First, when you receive your PayPal debit card in the mail, make sure to sign the back of the card for security purposes. This is important because an unsigned card may not be accepted at many locations. Next, you have several convenient methods to activate your card. The most common way is online activation. Head over to the official PayPal website and log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the PayPal debit card section. There you will find an option to activate your card. You will need to enter your debit card number along with some personal identification information like your date of birth or the last 4 digits of your social security number to verify your identity. Another method to activate your card is by calling the customer service number provided on the sticker attached to your card. This number is toll-free and available 24/7. When you call, you will be prompted to enter your card number and some security details to confirm your identity. The automated system will guide you through the activation process in just a few minutes. For those who prefer using the PayPal mobile app, you can also activate your debit card through the app. Log into your PayPal app, go to the card management section, select your debit card, and follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Once activated by any of these methods, your PayPal debit card will be ready to use immediately. You can use it for in-store purchases, online shopping, and ATM withdrawals wherever Visa debit cards are accepted. Remember to keep your card and personal information secure to avoid unauthorized use. Now that you know how simple it is to activate your PayPal debit card, you're ready to enjoy the convenience and flexibility it offers. Don't forget to sign the back of your card to complete the initial security step and choose the activation method that suits you best. And if you encounter any issues along the way, PayPal's customer support is just a call or click away to assist you anytime.